Okay, this is a Charles Parker vise, number 89 and a half. Um, I I don't know a lot of information. I haven't been able to find much information, but the 400 series, I think it's 434, 35, 36, seem to be similar to this, but I think this is older. Um, you get the Parker insignia there, but it's got, the jaws are just a little over 5 inches, like 5 3/8 jaws. This weighs, it's a fixed vise and it weighs 165 pounds. I had to remake the handle, but this opens up, and those pipe jaws are removable. It's very deep throated vise. It's almost 8 inches deep, and the pipe jaws are definitely big enough to easily hold 6-inch pipe, maybe 6.5. And this opens up with a full nut, and the jaw flush. These jaws are just under 10 inches, and I can take these pipe jaws out pretty easily. They're just held in on the back side here, and I can easily fit a piece of 6-inch square stock inside of this and clamp it and do work on it. This is a great vise, but I don't know much about it. Anyone that's got any information, I'm all ears. The dimensions are, it is about just over 13 inches tall, and it's just over 2 feet long from the tip when it's closed.